Hello guys, today I've got SENNHEISER Momentum 5 and I'm going to show you why are your headphones so quiet. Some couple of fixes. When it comes to your headphones, this term that they are so quiet should be a little concerning because your headphones are actually one of the most not most but one of the best headphones that are on the market right now, which means that they shouldn't be quiet at all. How to fix that? You need to try to charge them. You need to try charging them fully, like to 100%. Leave them like that for a couple of minutes, maybe one hour, maybe 60 minutes or 2 hours or something like that, and then check if they work. If they work, that's fine. Now we've got fixed headphones. But if they still don't work, you need to go even further. Check if your player in your phone isn't the issue. So you need to try using another application, another streaming application. Like if you're using Spotify, try using Apple Music or YouTube Music or just YouTube or some Tidal or SoundCloud. There are many applications. Just try them and let me know if it works on these applications. If it works on these applications but on your private it doesn't, it means that this is your application's fault and you need to contact the application support or just reinstall it or update it to the latest version. So that should be it when it comes to the software. When it comes to the hardware, we've got only one thing that we can do. You need to try charging your headphones. Pardon me, not charging. You need to perform a factory reset on them, which should take around 30 seconds. You need to take a look at this button right here. You need to push this button when your headphones are turned off for 20 seconds. In your headphones, you should hear a tone indicating that the factory reset was successful. If it doesn't work after that, if they are still that quiet, you need to contact the device support to have it fixed. Goodbye!